Hello and welcome back, Android users. This is X Solutions, and we're excited to bring you another awesome tutorial. If you're new to the family, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future updates and tips. Let's dive in.
$1,000 credit
Many
line.
Android users often feel frustrated by those annoying
Have you ever
pop-up
dreamed
video
of owning
ads.
a business?
But don't worry,
The
X Solutions has
Alibaba.com
the
app is
answer
the...
for you. With AdGuard VPN, you can block
Have you
all
ever
those
dreamed of
intrusive
owning a
video
business?
ads on your Android device,
The
letting you enjoy a
Alibaba.com app is
smooth,
the...
ad-free experience. Say goodbye to
Have you ever
interruptions
dreamed of
and
owning
take
a
full
business?
control of your Android phone
The
today.
Alibaba.com app...
Now, grab your Android phone and open your browser. Type http://dns.adguard-dns.com and hit enter. Once the page loads, click on the Try AdGuard DNS button, then select Connect New Device to get started. Next, choose your device platform and enter a name for your device. After that, click on Use AdGuard's apps and install AdGuard on your Android phone. After installing AdGuard, open the app and click on Create. Then, toggle the VPN switch to turn on ad blocking. Now, you're all set. No more annoying ads. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to help others get rid of those ads too.